Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I Surbi Goyan Legal Internet Let's Click. Today's topic is fair use of law in India under Copyright Act. So let's jump into the video. Doctrine of fair dealing is an exception to the law that would usually protect any material that would be considered to be copyrighted as under in the Indian Copyright Act 1957, hereinafter known as the Act. It is legal doctrine which permits a person to use my work which is protected under the Act with limited usage of such work so as to maintain the sanctity and originality of such work as well as the registered proprietor of the work. The meaning of fair dealing depends on different facts and circumstances. In India, the court applies basic common sense so that they can determine as to what can be constituted as fair dealing of the case to case basis, where fair dealing is a significant limitation on the exclusive right of the copyright owner. It has been interpreted by the court on a number of occasions by judging the economic impact it has on the copyright owner. Where the economic impact is not significant, the use may constitute fair dealing. The fair nature of the dealing depends on the following four factors. First, the purpose of the use, the nature of the work, and the amount of the work used, and the effect of use of the work on the original. So, in the consonance with the UK copyright laws, India has adopted the concept of fair dealing for the past few years. On the other hand, the same concept is known as fair use under US copyright laws. Cases such as Giles versus Wilcox, which had established the concept of fair abridgment, and Folsom versus Marsh have established the concept of what fair dealing is. These cases acted as precedents to the Indian cases, which will be discussed in brief later in this video. So, in the recent amendment that has been made in the act known as Copyright Amendment Act 2012, the concept of fair dealing has also included works in the line of musical and or cinematographic in nature. The reason for this is that since both personal and private works have been amended in the recent act and expect work done in the line of the computer programming, the scope has become much wider to the consider what can be considered to be fair dealing under the Indian regime. Also, fair dealing has been considered to benefit disabled persons who can now access works, including sharing with any person with a disability for private or personal use, research, or for any other educational purposes. So, under the Indian regime legal framework being the Copyright Act 1957, Section 52 lays down certain acts or work that cannot be considered as an infringement of copyright, namely fair dealing with a literary, dramatic, musical, or artistic work, not being on a computer program for the purposes of fair dealing with any work not being computer programmed for the purpose of private personal use, including research, criticisms, or review with whatever of the work of any other work, the reporting of current events and current affairs, including the reporting of a lecture delivered in public, the transient or incidental storage of a work or performance purely in the technical process of electronic permission or communication to the public, transient or incidental storage of a work or performance for the purpose of providing electronic links, access, or integration where such link access or integration has not been expressly prohibited by the right holder unless the person responsible is aware and has been reasonable grounds for believing that such storage is an infringing copy. The reproduction of any work for the purpose of a judicial proceeding or for the purpose of a report of a judicial proceeding. The code, along with the above mentioned provision, also relies upon classic cases, which has been dealt in brief with the next chapter as to what up to how will explain any work which is brings as under Act. Can be considered to be fair use of copyright work, which in fact can extremely technical based issue that is seen to by the court mainly looking into the facts of the case. So let's talk about one or two international cases upon it. So Hubbard versus Vosper, in the line of dealing with the concept of fair dealing, Lord Dennings has stated that it is possible to define what is fair dealing. It must be a question of degree. You must first consider number of extent of the question and extract, quotation and extract. Then you must consider the use made of them. Next, you must consider the proportions. Other consideration may come into mind also. But after all is said and done, it is a matter of impression. So let's talk about one Indian case upon it. Indian TV Independent News Services Limited versus Yashraj Film Limited. Okay, so the fact of this case that state that dependent that is India TV broadcast a show on a channel documenting the life of a singer wherein the singer was shown to perform their own songs. However, while such performance was being filmed, clips of a movie screens were shown to play in the background. The plaintiff, that is Yashraj Private Limited, claimed that such a scene of the movie in the background amounts to infringement of its copyright. The defendants took the defense of fair dealing under Section 52 of the Code, dismissed the defense of fair dealing, and restrained the defendants of the film production, distribution, and broadcasting, or in any way or you can say in any way which is owned by the exploiting any cinematograph film, a sound recording or part thereof which is owned by the plaintiff. This litigation battle went on for years with different angle is owned by the plaintiff. So through this case, the Indian legal system made advancement in the field of fair dealing under copyright by overlooking the rigid and conventional approach and implementing the necessary changes. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Please click the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.